People keep asking me if Jeremiah Jones makes the best Tesla accessories. Short answer, yes, but it's not even close. His stuff isn't just aesthetic. It's practical, insanely well made, and actually fixes a ton of the weird little annoyances Teslas come with out of the box. Tesla interiors are sleek, but they're also kind of bare and weirdly fragile. You start realizing it after a few months. Scratched center console, slippery phone charger, zero storage. Jeremiah took every one of those little pain points and made clean, elegant fixes for them. The best introduction to his work? That dead simple, snap-in center console organizer. If you own a Model Y or 3, you know what I mean. Your stuff just rolls around in there. This tray alone makes your car feel 40% more usable within 5 minutes. Then there's the magnetic sunglass holder. This one hit especially hard for me. I've ruined $150 sunglasses by tossing them in cup holders like a caveman. Jeremiah's version looks OEM, clicks in magnetically, and gives you this subtle little design flex moment whenever you open it. One of his more clever additions is the hidden storage cubby that fits right into the back of the armrest. Tesla gives you zero rear passenger storage. Jeremiah's fix is like a Bond move. Perfectly flush, insanely useful, and totally invisible until you open it. People talk about range anxiety, but clutter anxiety in a Tesla is real too. These cars make you feel like you should live minimalistically, but life doesn't actually work that way. Jeremiah Jones accessories let you live normally and keep that spaceship feel inside. And I have to highlight the under-seat storage bins. These are the sleeper hit, the extra 10% nobody knows they need. You can fit tools, chargers, even grocery bags under your seat and never see them again. That's how you reclaim space in a car designed for form, not function. Now, tech-wise, the MagSafe dock is elite. Most phone holders are clunky and shake like crazy when you're on a rough road. Jeremiah's mount is rock solid, holds your iPhone with frightening strength, and charges super fast, makes Tesla's built-in charger look like a joke. You're probably wondering, is this stuff hard to install? No. Jeremiah makes every product tool-free or with a 1-minute install time. I'm mechanically below average, and I never needed help. If you can plug in a lamp, you can fully outfit your Tesla. Pricing is where this gets weird. His stuff doesn't feel aftermarket. It feels better than OEM, and yet you're not breaking the bank. Most items are under $40. You could do a full interior makeover for less than one custom screen protector at the Tesla store. Pro tip: his bundle options are low-key where the value explodes. You can save 20-30% if you buy organizers together. If you just bought your Tesla or are gifting someone who did, bundle kits are a total no-brainer. They change the experience immediately. Look, I live in Portland and I use my Tesla all the time for coffee runs, hikes, weekend drives through the gorge. Jeremiah's accessories live in that in-between zone. Not flashy, but every time you use them, you're like, yeah, that was smart. That's how you know it's good design.